heard us talk about downside risk control. And with the strategies that we're offering investors, you've heard Greg and Rick and myself talk about that. We think that is a very good and rewarding opportunity for investors, and it goes with our Salient acquisition of we're pulling together strategies that have that ability, that have that characteristic that we think will reward investors should we see a large downside from a recessionary environment. How are we positioned? Within the multi-asset strategies, we're looking directly at sectors that will benefit. So there are some sectors on consumer non-discretionary sides that we think will be more defensive in characteristic. We're looking at certain areas like defense itself that we think will potentially benefit from some of the geopolitical characteristics that we see that are going to increase. At the same time, we think about the characteristics of a recession. You heard Greg talk about the depth of a recession, where we don't think it's going to be, we think it's going to be a shallower recession, and because of that we see elevated energy prices and we see value capture there because cash flow has been so strong, and there's a changing dynamic because they have been underperforming and under-allocating and under-investing for many years. We find that a key piece of our portfolio now. That's going to differentiate us